So we're hot off of American Thanksgiving, and we're kind of starting talking before the show about like food. So Zach brought up a turkey pie. Tell us
Yeah.
more about this. Like,
Yeah, I'm curious.
You guys have had chicken pot pie before, right?
Yeah.
yeah,
Now, okay, so I want you to follow. This is complicated.
okay.
You make a chicken pot pie, but instead of chicken, you use the leftover turkey from Thanksgiving.
Oh,
Interesting.
ooh, okay.
It's delicious. I've done it. It's a great use of, because here's the thing about turkey is like invariably you end up with 6 pounds of leftover turkey, and there's so many turkey sandwiches you can stomach before you start contemplating suicide, right?
Yeah, I make
Mhm.
soup
Yeah. Oh, soup's not bad. So, yeah, like a good stew or something.
because you can freeze it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You
There you go.
know,
Yeah. True. True.
Soup popsicle.
yeah,
Look,
it's
you
superb.
can also freeze the pot pie, although it might screw up the texture a little bit. No guarantees on
Yeah.
that front.
Yeah.
No, so is this like your go-to? Is this something you and Soulfew make, or like?
I've done it once or twice before. It's high energy, high reward. You gotta invest a lot of energy, but worth it.
Now, are you gonna make the
That's-
homemade crust? Or are you store-bought crust for this?
If I'm being perfectly honest with you, I'm a store bought crust guy.
Yeah, I
Who's
don't
got
blame
time
you.
to make their own
Yeah.
crust?
Exactly. I'm already
Ma-
investing all the time to make a turkey pot pie.
Mandy makes her own homemade crust.
Really?
Oh, it's incredible.
Does she look down on people who use the store bought stuff?
No, she uses the store-bought stuff when she doesn't feel like it.
Okay,
But
that's fair.
but we I would say we. She made 2 pies for one of our Thanksgivings and didn't tell people which was which, and was like, "Which one do you like better?"
Ooh.
Unanimous. Everybody was like, "This one is." They're both good, but everybody's like, "This one was way better." It was the
Yeah.
homemade crust one.
Yeah, I can believe that.
I don't have the patience for that though. You know?
I don't have the patience for much when it comes. If I'm cooking for a bunch of people, like Thanksgiving Day dinner, I
Sure.
get it. Invest a ton of energy. Like you can
Sure.
spend 3-4 hours in the kitchen prepping your one item that you're going to kind of bring to potluck dinner. That I understand because a bunch of people are going to enjoy it. But if it's just me and Sophie having dinner together, I'm not going to spend all the time to make everything from scratch. It's just not practical. You can't make
No.
2 hours. You can't take 2 hours to cook a meal that you're going to eat in 15 minutes.